Hello everyone and welcome to the part 3 of this Geological Map Digitization tutorial. In the previous parts, we completed the digitization of both formation and structural features. In this session, we will focus on the defining the symbology for the geological formation and structural elements. To define the structural symbology, let me uncheck the formation so we could see the structure clearly. These are the structures like anticline, strike slip fault, syncline, and thrust fault. We will define the anticline symbology, the proper symbology that is aligned within two arrows away from the center line. I will show you that. All right. Okay. Now right click on the structure and go to the symbology. So we have added all of the structure here and as well as the symbology. To define the symbology for anticline for these structures, every country have their own symbology and their formats. In Pakistan, the Geological Survey have defined the colors for the different formation as well as the symbology for the structure. Let me open that. These are the structures and formation symbologies. All right. So these are textures for symbols. For contexts, you can use the solid line with the size 0.4 color black. This line. You can use this for the contact between the formational contact. This is input contact. If it is uncertain, you can use the input contact like a dash line with the size of 0.4 color black. Like contact with quaternary, you can use this quaternary sediments. Dash line, dash with one dot, and this is the size of that. This one is used for the unconformity. It has been clearly for faults. You can use solid line. For thrust fault, you can use line with the teeth, saw teeth. Like this, you can use. So for anticline, you can use a solid line with arrowheads. So and now the size of the line is 0.72 and arrowhead size is 30. We will check that in ArcGIS Pro and the symbology pane. This is for inferred anticline. So all of these symbols are available within the GIS. We will access that and we will select for each structure. Okay. Now you can, this is for the metal rod, car track, like this. Okay, vertical joints, incline joints, everything is available here. Mine can be symbolized on this symbol. And these are the formation codes. These are the formation codes, or we can say the abbreviations. Okay, and this is the age for the formation. So for the Nagar-Parker igneous complex, you can use P, capital C and P. You can use this, and this is the color code, the RGB color code for the Nagar-Parker igneous complex, and this is the that color. So how could they generate this code? So this P and C is from the Precambrian, and this N is from the Nagar, and this P is from the Nagar-Parker. We will also see some of other formation like let me check. Jurassic, for example, Jurassic, Datta formation, this Datta formation. So J is capital J, this capital J is from the Jurassic, the age. This first letter represent the age of the formation, and this S D represent the Datta formation, Jurassic Datta. All right, like Samanasuk formation, JSS, JF, like this. This format is available, and I will also upload this symbol documents, and will provide the link below in the description. You can access from that. All right. So we will go to the GIS, and we'll right click on the symbology and select this symbol from here. Select it, click on it. So here you can see different symbols are GIS 2D symbols, and a total of 140 symbol found here. Project style, and this is all style. I have clicked on the selected all styles, and you can check here the different symbols that are available, but you cannot, these are all of the symbols that are available for the lines, but you cannot see any uh, any geological symbols right here. So for this we will go to the search browser like Google, and we will search geology 24K ArcGIS Pro symbols. You can also search symbol. This is the overview, and this is geological 24K. You can access this site. When you access this site, you will okay. So you can download the symbol from here. Download. I've already downloaded this symbol file, so I will access from that. Let me go to the downloads. This is the geology 24K EN styles. So let me copy and paste it in the my desired project folder. So this is my project folder. I will paste it here. All right. Or you can create a folder here. Create new folder. Geology 24K symbols. Okay, and copy that file into this folder. Let's actually arrange your data, and you will not feel any complications while accessing this styles from there. All right, now go to insert, this insert tab, and add, click on this drop down and add style. Now go to that folder, your ArcGIS folder, geological map. Go to once again, go to this file in geology. If this folder isn't showing here, then you can refresh, right click here and refresh it. You will see the geology 24K symbols, and these are the samples. Click OK. So it has been, yes, this, add this. So it has been added to the symbology. Now right click on the structure, go to the symbology, go once again to the symbology, and now click on the anticline. So you can see now different geological structures symbols are available here. Now click on in this search bar and type anticline and search it. This is actually a certain anticline. If the anticline is approximate, you can use this symbol: anticline inferred, anticline concealed, anticline approximate concealed. Like that, you can use different symbols that are available here. So from all of my anticlines are certain, so I will use this symbol. Okay. All right. So I think I have marked all of the sync line in the anticline. So I will change these anticlines to sync line. So for that you can use that old method that I have shown you while converting the polygon formation to different formation from the attribute. So for now, click on this select tool and click on this line. Actually, this is sync line, and go to the attributes. Now choose symbol class, and this is actually a sync line. We only have this one anticline in our map, and click apply. These all are sync lines. Go to the attributes, sync line, apply. These all are sync lines. Go to the attributes, apply. Now clear the selection. Okay, let me change the line width as well as the arrowhead size. So go to the format symbol here, and now go to the layers. In layer you have the arrowhead as well as the solid stroke or the line, solid line. Click on the arrowhead, and now change this 10 into 30. Click it and select this arrowhead, and see by default the line width is 0.72. It's actually it's okay. So we will click on the apply. So now you can see the symbol of the anticline. This is the professional formal symbol for the anticline. Now we will go to the strike slip fault, actually the sync line. First let me go to the sync line and now type here sync line and enter, search it. This is the sync line certain, and click on this. Or now go to properties and go to the layer tab, layer. Now click on the arrowhead and make it 30. Now click on this, it's actually okay. Now click here, so that now it's actually not changed, so let me once again change it and click here. Okay, and now apply. All right, now let me go once again, go back, and let me select thrust fault. Go to the gallery so that I could select the symbol for this. Go to the gallery and now select type thrust fault. This is thrust fault first generation certain. Click on this and now go to the properties. Now let me check the symbol for the thrust fault. For the thrust fault, for the certain thrust fault, the solid line with a saw teeth. So you can use this, and I have also choose that one. So by default, the thrust fault is in the correct format. So it's okay. So if you can see that some of the thrust fault are towards the northwest and some are toward the southeast. The direction are different. And let me check the geological map. In our geological map, all of the thrust faults are towards the northwest. Some are okay, some are toward the northwest as well as some are okay. These are actually toward the southeast. These are all towards the southeast. So okay, these are toward the southeast. So let me change the direction of the thrust fault. Actually, why these the the teeth are towards the north and some of the teeth are toward the right? It actually depends on from where you start the digitization process. Let me save the edits, and now let me instantly create a shapefile and then I will digitize two different lines. One I will start from the left to right and one from the right to left, and we will see that what will be the changes on the uh, direction of the teeth. Now go to the insert tab and select this line map node. You will instantly create the shapefile here. Instant line map nodes. This is actually uh, here only in this Canva. It does not have any shapefile or files in the background. So let me digitize in this. Now go to the edit and create and this line node. I will draw two lines, one starting from left to right, right click and finish. And one I will select from the right to left and finish. Okay, clear the selection. Now I will give it the symbol of thrust fault. Select on the click on this. Now go to the galleries, thrust fault, and select first generation thrust fault. So you can see that when you start from the left to right, the teeth will be in upward direction, and when you start from the right to left, the teeth will be in the downward direction. But how could we change the direction of these teeth? So you can change it like this. Select it. I will change the direction of these teeth toward the south. So select it, right click on it, and edit vertices. Now edit vertices. So this red one is the end point. This is the line end node. This is the end point. So click on this, the first, this one, and reverse the direction. This reverse direction. So you can see that the direction of the teeth has been changed into the south. Now click on this and select and reverse the direction. So you can change the direction from here. So you will change all of the some of the for some of the thrust fault have different directions. We will change that one to the south, and to the southeast. Now let me get rid of this line shapefile. I will remove it. First, you have to save it. You can delete it from here as well, but I will remove the line notes from here, or you can delete it from here as well, or right click. It does not, it's not providing any. Okay, so we can select it and now delete it. Alright, save it. Map this explorer. Alright, so now let me change the direction of these ports. These are towards the south. Right click on it, reverse the direction. Now same for this one. Reverse the direction. Alright. Now go to the edits, save it, clear the selection, select the explorer, and now save the save project. Alright, now let me go to the, you can also click on this strike slip faults symbol, and you can select the symbol for the strike slip. Strike slip fault, enter, and this is the strike slip fault. It's actually don't have the arrows, so we will add that later on the in the layout, in the layout view. All right. Okay. Now let me once again check the formation. So I can also check. I can change the formation color for the recent deposit. Let me see the color symbol in the style. It's actually quaternary sediment, stream bed, alluvial deposit, Eolian. Alluvial deposit. For the alluvial deposit, you can select the symbol QA, and this is the color code of this alluvial deposits or recent deposits. So all of these recent deposits have further been divided into different categories. You can change the or select the color for each category: lithology, streambed deposit, like conglomerate, Gavadar formation, like that. All right. So let me once again go to the symbology. You can also add the abbreviation. First, let me add the abbreviation first. For these formation, I will go to the attribute table. Go to the attribute table and add field here, but I don't see any, but I can't click on the add field. Why? I've already told you that if you have some of the edits that you haven't seen yet, so this field will be in the gray and it will be not activated. So go to the edits and save these edits, and now you will see that you can add now the field. So add field abbreviation, so I will use ABB, and this is text, and this is the length of the text. So I don't need such high number, so my abbreviation will not cross 5, so I will just select only 10 character 10 character. 10 character length of the field. So enter, and now save all of the edits that you have been added within the field. Now go to the, okay, now get rid out of the field, this field formation. Okay, you can select and the abbreviation for these formation like Ormara formation. I will you can check your formation and you can copy this abbreviation and you can paste it here. But I will uh, produce or I will create the symbol, the abbreviation for this just for the sake of to complete this task. So you have to do it uh, like there is available for their formation, and they have been available within this file, you know. Okay, let me select OM. I will take first words of each first character of each word. So OF for Ormara formation, OF for Ormara. Copy it, and now double click on this, or you can right click on the name, and you can sort ascendingly or descending. You can sort it. I will sort ascending for now. So you can see that Haru conglomerate, Hinglage formation, all have been categorized now. So it's easy for me uh, to copy the abbreviation for Haru conglomerate. I can HC. So I will select I will select this and Control C and Control V works here. Control V, and this is Hinglage formation HF. Now Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, yes, MV for mud volcanoes. Control C, Control V. OF. Alright, so for this I will change a little PARF for Guinea formation. Control C, Control V. Sorry, for QAL is used for quaternary alluvium. Is used QAL is used for the recent. So now save the edits and get rid of it. Now select this Explorer, check this. It's actually the graphic issue. Alright, it's okay. Now click on this formation. So you will see these three tabs: feature layer, labeling, and data. So click on the labeling, and now select the field there from that you want to symbolize your formation. So I have added abbreviation field, and now click on this label. Click on it. So now you can see that all of the symbols or abbreviation have been shown on your map. Now you can select the size of the text from here. Let me select 12 from here. Okay, and let me change the font into the Time New Roman. All right, and you can also change it to bold, italic, and also you can change the color of it. And these are some of the tools that are available. You can label it in the center, basic polygon, center on the boundary. These will the polygon will be labeled on the boundary. You can check it. You can make it centralized or in little wide. So you can try these different label placement label placement from here. So let me select uh, this basic polygon tool. All right, okay. Now I will change the color of the formation. Go to the Symbology, select this recent deposits. I will only change only for this recent polygon. Go to the color symbol, and you can select RGB. This is red, this is for red, this is for green, and this is for the blue. Okay, RGB color code. Now you can select it like this. Go to the Symbology, and go to the properties. Now here, drop down. You can also use the color dropper like this. You can also use this, and color properties. Within the color properties, you can select the HSV, HSL, LAB, grayscale, and CMY cable. All of the code are available in the RGB, so I will select RGB. So the first one was 225. The second was also 225 and 137. 255 and 137. So you can change it like this. Okay, and apply it. So you can change all of the color like this. All right, now I will change the color of other formation. I will change these as for my preference. Now select this one, blue. So we cannot differentiate between these two. Let me change it a little, and right click on it. Now we have changed all of the color, the formation colors. Now let me open this word graph map and he'll shade as well. It will take a little bit time. By default, in the ArcGIS, when you open the ArcGIS, by default the world topographic map opens. This base map open by default. But If you want change the base map, you can try different base map from here. This base map tab here in the toolbars. It will take some time. So these are different base map, 2D base map available here in the ArcGIS Pro. You can use which one imagery or base map you want to use in your project. So by default, this topographic base map opens within the GIS, so I will use this one for now. Let me once again go to the labeling. Yes, it's been labeled. Okay. Now click on this formation, and now feature layer in layer blend. Make the layer blend this linear one. Make it linear one. When you to make it linear one, you will see the hills feature within your map like this. See, this feature is now visible within your map. This is a very powerful tool in the to make your map a little fine and good looking, so you can use this tool for that. And if you want, you can change the transparency of your this layer, the formation layer, like you can use this one like this. You can make it transparent. So I'll not recommend this one for now because it will change the color. All right. So this is Arabian Sea. Okay. All right. We have actually some of the formation are hidden below this hinglage formation. Now let me remove the color. So you can see that this quaternary aluminum formation is hidden behind the hinglage formation. To clip this formation, I will use the clip tool for this. Now let me once again select the color for it. Okay. Now go to the selection tool, select this formation, and you can select it from here. This is the formation that I want to clip it. Now go to the edits and more option. Click this clip tool. Now check the clip all editable features and clip it. So you have successfully clipped this feature. If you remove the color from this recent deposits, you will see there is nothing inside. So the hinglage formation has been clipped out, and you can see the alluvium here like this. So this is a very powerful tool that you can use for some of the formation that you want to clip out. We have this line node. I don't need it. This line node, so I will click on it and will remove this one. So as I also don't need this line work now. So I will also remove these line work. Select all and remove. Alright, so you have only structures, formation and study area. Okay. Now our map is ready to export. So let me also show you in tools like if you want to now if you want to change to manually edit this polygon, you can select it and click on it in edit vertices. So you will have this new editing tools. So for example, if I want to move this node from here, so you can select, if you want to add another one, you can click on this add click a segment to add a vertex to an existing node. So click on it, and now let me click here. So you will add another node here. If you want to delete these nodes, you can select the arrow with the negative, so delete it like this. All right. Now select the this these are different types of tools. Now let me select this positive and I want to move it. So left click on it and move it like this. You can move it. Okay. So these are some of the tools that can be these tools are also can be used to move or edit or to add or delete different from the different nodes from your polygon. So for now, I will get rid out of these tools. All right, now clear it. Okay, our map is ready for the export.